Hi guys, welcome back to Cardz TV. Today we're going to make 2 Halloween cards, and we're going to use one of the Cardz TV Card Kit and Caboodle card sketches. This is sketch number 3, and you can find all the card sketches at my blog, cardztv.blogspot.com. Just look under Mary's Card Sketches up at the top. And I think we have 27 or 28 now. But they're all free to download, so check those out over at my blog. We're going to use these 2 cute little die cuts. These came from the Cardz TV October card kit called Happy Halloween. We've got this cute jack-o'-lantern and this adorable little witchy poo. These are going to go on our 2 cards. I found this glitter ribbon at Dollar Tree, so we're going to use some black. I don't know if you can see the sparkle in that or not. And I also found some orange. We'll be using those. And for our sentiments, we're going to use 2 Cardz TV stamp sets. This one is More Spooky Sayings, and we're going to use Boo from this set. But this has got lots of different ones we could have used. And guess what, guys? This set is on sale while supplies last for $9.99 plus shipping and handling. And I don't have a lot of these, so if you're interested in this one, you can find it at cardztvstamps.blogspot.com. And also, we're going to use the new Cardz TV set called Banners and Bubbles. This one is at an introductory price, normally $14.99, but for a limited time, you can pick this one up for $12.99 plus shipping and handling. And it's also at Cardz TV Stamps. So let's get started on our 2 Halloween cards, guys. Now, I've never done 2 at the same time, but since we're using the same sketch, I thought I'd just go ahead and do both backgrounds on the card bases at the same time. So if we look at the card sketch, we see we've got our card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then each card will have a black card base, which is 4 by 5 1/4. Then we have a little piece at the top, which is 1 5/8 by 3 3/4, and that's the orange and black polka dot, and in this one it's the purple polka dot. And then this mat right down here is 3 3/8 by 3 3/4, and we have the orange stripe and the purple spider web. Now, because I'm going to put some of that glitter ribbon across here, I'm going to go ahead and get these pieces adhered to the black, and then we'll come back and put that glitter ribbon on here before we put this on our card base. And the same thing for this one. And for my adhesive, I'm using some art glitter glue. I went ahead and cut some pieces of that glitter ribbon from the Dollar Tree. That is so pretty and shimmery. Now I'm just going to put that right across there and flip that over, and I've got some Scotch tape here, and I'm just going to adhere the ends down, and I'll do this on both cards, and then I'll adhere these to the front of the card with some more of that art glitter glue. I want to make sure I've got that straight before I put the tape on. I've got both of my card bases ready, and they are just so pretty and sparkly. Okay, next we look at the sketch, and we see we've got a mat, and then that one's out of black, and then we have this black and white mat. The black mat is 2 5/8 by 3 1/2, and the black and white mat is 2 3/8 by 3 1/4. I'm going to go ahead and get these adhered together, and then just like in the sketch, these are going to go towards the left-hand side, and I'm going to bring mine down just a little bit so it'll look just like that. So I'll get both of these adhered together and on the front of my card. I decided to pop this up on some foam tape, and I left a gap right there to go across this glitter ribbon because it adds a little bit of bulk, and I didn't want this to be bumpy. So we'll go ahead and get this adhered. Next, we're going to put our 2 little images on here, and I've got the jack-o'-lantern and the little witch on some foam tape, And I'm going to put her a little bit to one side to leave some room up here for the sentiment. And I'm going to kind of center the jack-o'-lantern. And he's going to be a little bit closer to the top, because this sentiment's going to go right down here. Okay, we're ready to put our sentiments on. And for the jack-o'-lantern card, I used the new Cardz TV Banners and Bubbles, and I used this banner right here. And then I used more spooky sayings, and I used boo. So I went ahead and stamped those. Didn't that turn out nice? I used Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I've got this on foam tape, and this one's going to go right down here. I just love that. I think that's so cute, and it's not scary. That's what's good about these little Halloween cards. They're not scary at all. Now for the little witchy poo, I also used the Banners and Bubbles set, and I used this open speech bubble right here, and then inside I took Too Cute to Spook from the More Spooky Sayings, and I just snipped that right there so that I could put spook below Too Cute, and I stamped the whole thing at once. I've got this on some foam tape, but this one end is on 2 thicknesses of foam tape because it's going to be going just like that, and this side needed an extra bit of tape to raise it up. So I'm going to get these adhered down, and we'll come back and take a last look at these finished Halloween cards. Oh my gosh, guys, this was so much fun. I love doing the 2 cards at the same time, and I think they both turned out really, really cute. Now, if you're interested, don't forget to go by and check out More Spooky Sayings and the new Banners and Bubbles, and pick those up while they're on sale, guys. Thanks so much for coming by and spending some time with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you had as much fun as I did. And I will see you again really soon. Bye now.